Hi, I'm Jeff with Wherefour. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to do automatic lot code tracking in our system. Let's check it out. So this is how it works. We're going to use Wherefour's easy drag and drop sequencing tool. The first thing we need to decide is, what do I want my lot code schema to be? In this example, for raw materials, it's going to be the SKU with the dash, the date I'm receiving the material in, another dash, and the vendor code. So here we have the mock-up. Underneath it, we have all of the raw materials that are going to be using this lot code schema, one of which is baking powder. So let's hop over and see how easy this happens. In the receiving area, I've got a purchase order set up for Clover Organic Products and some baking powder. I go in to receive it. You can see the lot code's automatically applied here. So when I receive this material, I'm going to go into my receiving log, and automatically I'm going to see here's the baking powder I just received in and the lot code that was applied to it. That's how easy it is.